I'm a mother, teacher, guide, and a friend. And these are my life lessons. I'm Dr. Neeti Kaushik, and welcome to my channel Nitty Gritty with Dr. Neeti Kaushik.
हाय, स्वागत है आपका निटी ग्रिटी विद डॉक्टर नीति कौशिक में। और आज फिर एक फूड की सीरीज को कंप्लीट करते हुए couple of things which we will be taking forward. This time I'm going to be talking about superfoods. Now, when we say superfoods, what comes to our mind? Generally, what comes to our mind is superfood. Oh, avocados. Oh, blueberries. Oh, American apples. No, they are not the superfoods. So many nutritionists, so many people, so many doctors, they all tell us the superfood has to be local, has to be grown locally, and has to be available locally. Only then it comes in the category of superfood. So, what is it that we are going to talk about today? Today, I'm going to talk about something which is very simply available and can be easily grown and is magical in terms of properties. So, if we start counting the amount of amazing properties it has, we will be zapped. So, our humble superfood is wheatgrass juice. Yes, wheatgrass juice. Since we started incorporating it into our diet, we have seen magical impacts and effects. Really magical. So I just thought that something which has helped us and our family, why not speak about it with all of you? So our superfood for the day is wheatgrass juice. Let's look at the magical qualities it is. It has. Number 1, it's a superfood. Number 2, it eliminates toxins. Number 3, it helps in digestion. Number 4, it boosts your metabolism. Number 5, it lowers your cholesterol. Number 6, it boosts your immune system. Number 7, it gives you energy. Number 8, it lowers your blood pressure. Number 9, it betters your blood sugar control. Number 10, it stimulates the growth of RBCs. Number 11, it helps in healing your skin. Number 12, it helps in curing the ulcers. Number 13, it is a high and rich source of antioxidants. Number 14, it is a liver cleanser. 15, it prevents cancer. Not only that, it also minimalizes the effect of anti-cancerous drugs. 16, this rejuvenates cells of our body and maintains skin elasticity. Imagine. In a real way, it's a superfood. Now, there are so many questions which kept cropping in my mind actually. Till the time I was quite ignorant about the superfood wheatgrass juice. How is it to be grown? How much is the quantity of this to be taken? How often it should be taken? What time of the day it should be taken? Till the time I did this course on food and naturally healing our bodies through food. So in that, as one of the chapters very importantly was about wheatgrass juice, where all the information I understood, read it, and then tried and applying it. So I'm going to be answering those questions for you. So first and foremost, when should we have wheatgrass juice? The best time is early morning, empty stomach. Whatever time you wake up, the first thing should go into your mouth, into your body should be wheatgrass juice. Fresh extracted wheatgrass juice is the best option. So you can have that in the morning and don't have anything for the next half an hour, so that it cleans the system, and not only cleans the system, it gives the minerals which are required to be there in the body. Second important thing, is it good to have the wheatgrass juice or can we have the powdered wheatgrass? It's always advisable to have the wheatgrass juice rather than the powder form. Of course, you can also have the powder form if in case you cannot grow it and extract the juice. However, I'll still recommend the fresh extracted wheatgrass juice would always be a better option because it will be more potent than the powder. Then the next question was that how much is recommended every day? As per the recommendations of wheatgrass juice is 30 ml each day morning. However, if you are recovering from an ailment, 60 milliliter would be more than enough for a few days, coming down to 30. So 30 will keep you all the time agile and keep you away from most of the diseases. How much time will it take for us to actually start seeing the results of taking wheatgrass juice? If in case you are drinking the juice every day, it will take about 15 days time and you will start seeing the effects there and then itself. And then yes, of course, you'll come back and thank me for this. Now, most important question. What is it which is there in wheatgrass juice? How come this is called a superfood. What all does it contain? So let's quickly discuss about the ingredients. So what all is there? It is full of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E, iron, magnesium, calcium, amino acids, minerals, natural enzymes, and chlorophyll. Very high source of chlorophyll. And the amino acids which it contains, out of 17 amino acids, 8 amino acids which are the essential amino acids for our body, which our body cannot produce on its own and is dependent on the food, are the ones which we can easily get from the wheatgrass juice. So imagine how much of an importance does it has? Plentiful. Start incorporating in your diet. Believe you me, we tried it and we have been very extremely happy and thankful. And you ask me how to grow wheatgrass. So to grow wheatgrass, you don't require a huge piece of land. If you have a potted area or pots, simple pots, you can grow the wheatgrass. You just soak the wheat for overnight, and in the next day morning, you can just put it in the pots, and it will grow and germinate within 4 days to 5 days time, and within a week's time it is ready to be harvested, and within a week's time you can actually utilize it. And extracting the juice in the morning, and that is also not difficult. This is the wheatgrass, and this much I've taken from outside, from where I have grown, and this would suffice 3 of us, rather 4 of us. And I generally add couple of more things with this. I also add a little bit of curry patta, curry leaves, and this is tulsi leaves. So I will be adding all 3 of them together. So all 3 together, and we'll also be adding a little bit of water in it. Now, as it is, you've seen the consistency. So how much of a water is going to be added, that we'll show you. Enough. So you can see now the juice has been extracted, and we will be pouring almost 30 ml in the glasses for everyone. So that's going to be really effective. And come back to me to tell me how did you prepare the wheatgrass juice and what all happened after 15 days of consuming it on a regular basis. Thank you so much for getting connected with Nitty Gritty with Dr. Neeti Kaushik. This particular channel talks about personal development, personal grooming, and personal enhancement. So continuing with the series of understanding stars and planets on astrology. Yes, on every Saturday I post one video. So we have already covered Sun, and we've covered Moon, and we have covered Saturn. So the next to follow is Mars and Jupiter. And I hope for the next video towards the end of this week. Thank you so much. God bless you. Stay healthy, stay safe, and stay grateful, and stay blissful, and stay abundant. God bless you.
In case you would want to listen to more on such topics, please mention in the comment box. We will be more than happy and ready to help you and assist you. बने रहिएगा, जुड़े रहिएगा. Thank you one and all.